Best for last, tips at the end of the video of the man Ron himself.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
We got plenty of time.
We got plenty of time.
20 seconds. Ah!
How to do this? The Ron Smoorenburg leg holding. Let's get to this video, guys. First of all, for this one, you need to be able to do the splits, or at the very least, you need to be able to be like only this far off the splits. Then you can still probably do this one.
The more you stretch, the more flexible you get, the easier this stuff gets. So this side splits to the right, front splits again, and then side splits again to the left, to all directions, 3 times before all this craziness.
If you cannot do a full split, I don't suggest you attempt the leg holding in a 180.
What?
The way I did in the beginning, or the way Ron Smoorenburg does it, the Ron Smoorenburg leg hold. I would suggest you just do it the way I'm going to demonstrate with the first exercise that I'm going to do.
With the first exercise you get will be here at this Van Damme level.
What?
Read it.
Wolverine?
Between the lines.
I should get the fuck out of here.
Yes, for those of you who can't handle reality, get out of here.
I think it's time for you gentlemen to leave. He's outclassed.
But the reality is, at any level of flexibility, even at a pretty bad one, you could hold it the way Van Damme is doing right here, because it's not really anywhere near a full splits now, is it? Let's just be realistic. So this level is definitely achievable with the first exercise that I'm going to show you.
A simple trick, but more than enough to fool a dolt like you.
It's as much flexibility as it is strength. You know what? Let me get into something more comfortable. So this is better, right, guys? Looks more professional too. For this exercise, you need to work on your strength. You need to work on your balance. You need to work on your accuracy, on your concentration. Many things, not just flexibility. Flexibility is the basis though. So like I said in the beginning, if you cannot do the splits, if you cannot get this far from the splits, then it's almost pointless to try this particular one. At the end of this video, I will add some more Ron Smoorenburg's tips on how to do this, because I sent him this footage just in case there's something that he does that I don't do for this, then he'll let you know, because I didn't learn it from him.
What?
It was my motivation to start training for this. So I'm just gonna show you guys first how I did this, and keep in mind, when I first achieved this, I was 16 years of age.
What?
So this is back when I was a 2nd degree black belt.
What?
So I've been stretching down my left leg. I've been doing this with right as well, but no point in showing you guys twice. Start with the left leg, going all the way straight, and then also doing a leg holding with my legs straight. These are really difficult, guys, but it gives you that much more strength in both legs. And then after this, I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kicks. Then for the roundhouse kicks, important you get a wall and you have the right distance between your legs and the wall. Now here I have these handles, which are great because I can grab myself in many different ways. Keep your hip in place. Don't let your hip be pushed back by your leg, and then go as high as you can. The main thing is here to go as high as you can, and then when the left person lets go, you're gonna hold it. This is gonna be challenging even if you can do the splits, guys.
What?
So even if you can do the split, let's say you can do the split, but you've never done this before, more than likely when you have to hold it here, what will happen is this. Go back, let go. What will happen is this. Your leg will drop, like maybe this far, even if you can do the splits. So what is the point of this? Well, here you have support. So now your job is to make this part stronger. So you have to try and go higher and hold it for more amount of seconds here than you ever can. Don't do what Gabriel Varga does, which is this.
What?
I don't know where he learned this. I think he's just copying it from Van Damme Double Team.
What?
From this scene right here.
I was teasing the poor fool.
There's only 3 things you should be doing. Kicking here, straight, and holding straight with both legs. Doing it here, what I just did here, with this leg, with that leg. These are 2 stretches, and holding right with both legs, and last but not least, side kick. or back kick, you should be coming from here with your toes pointing down. And then go up, go up, go up, go up, let go. And then with this one, after you do the holding here, you'll be kicking like this 10 times. There's no reason why you guys should be doing this kind of shit. It's not ballet, it's martial arts. It's kicking, it's not dancing. So let's say you work your way up. You can go all the way up now, right? You go, and you can hold it here. You're able to do this now. Now comes the time for the last but not least exercise that I showed you guys in the beginning, which is a whole different way. To get your leg up in the Smoorenburg style leg hold, you cannot bring your leg up like a normal roundhouse. You cannot come up like a normal roundhouse kick and then hold it there. It's a whole different kind of kick. This kick is actually very similar to Chloe Bruce's scorpion kick.
What?
I don't know if you guys ever seen her tutorials on the scorpion kick, but it's basically the same thing. It's the same thing but different. How is it different? Well, you're gonna practice this looking at the mirror. This is much better and easier doing it looking at the mirror, okay? That way you see exactly where you are and everything, and you see if you're doing it right. Earlier when I was recording it, the camera was down there, so I did it exactly this position, only your angle from you guys was from over there. So, I'm gonna show you guys how. So, Chloe Bruce will be coming like this, like that. So this is exactly what I did, right? With this leg like this. The only difference is, when Chloe Bruce does this, she's looking at the camera like this. And she's going like that, bringing her leg from here all the way up to there, while looking straight. The only difference between Chloe Bruce and what I'm doing and what Smoorenburg is doing is that she's looking straight. And she's bringing her leg like this. And I'll admit she goes a little bit past the 180. Like she's more flexible than us. And she can go more like this, which she, claims is a scorpion kick. But the real scorpion kick for fighting, turn this way a little bit. Let's say I want to hit right here. Here. Ah! Okay. So that's the real scorpion kick. The one that Chloe Bruce is a unique one, but I don't know if you actually call it a scorpion kick or what the hell to call it. Because this one connects with power. I've hit people many times with that kick. Here. The Chloe scorpion kick kind of doesn't.
What a foolish thing you've done, but I like it.
You want to come here. Hold your balance. If you guys cannot come with your balance good all the way here, then there's not even a point of doing it. Once you get with your balance all the way here, here's when you start to bring your leg up straight. And then you try to hold it as high and higher and higher and higher as possible. Higher and higher as possible. And this is the last one. This one right here. Bah! This last exercise is the last thing I would recommend to make your muscles stronger. If you can walk with this leg forward like that while kicking high, then all of this stuff becomes a lot easier. Take it easy. We've got plenty of time. How to do this?
I always say for a good kick you need three things. You need speed, flexibility and holding. If one element is missing, the kick is not good. Front kick. Make the foot nice and straight. So front kick, round kick and reverse round. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What you also can do, keep it up. Bam, bam, bam. And then you go down. Bam, bam, bam. See? The angle of the hips is very important. Now if you do the splits, you stretch the whole stretch over all the muscles. Now it's the angle in the hips here which makes the big difference. And I'll push this base leg this way, like that. So from here, you just push. 1, 2, 3. A little bit slower even. Get used to it. So I'm not pulling anything at all. You see? Now what happened is there's the focus totally on this angle here. And when this angle gets higher, your leg holding gets higher. Now what you can do as a test after is straight your leg. So you do like 5 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you stretch the leg. You do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the end, you let go the arm. Keep the body a little bit up. Then slowly let the leg go. Splits alone is not enough. You need to be a little bit over splits because the muscle always pull you back. So you need to go a little bit beyond splits to do a good leg holding. It's a good stretch. Now even in this, try to hold it. And that is painful. And when you hold your leg, bring your knee up as high as you can first. Then you stretch the leg, because if not, you're missing out on height.
Also, before I forget, make sure you guys subscribe to Ron's channel. I'll link a link here above from his latest video. That way you guys can also check him out over there, subscribe to his channel, and all that good stuff. Hi! You heard the girls, subscribe to Ron's channel.